Hi, I'm Julia Yang. For this project, we are shooting a web series that's a horror short film. I'm the director of the film, and it is also a challenging film because it involves with a lot of special effects. I don't think I can get this experience elsewhere. I think communication is the key. You have to let your crew, all of them, know what you're doing, and if everyone knows, they care and they have the passion to push it forwards together.
I'm Kelly Littman. I did special effects and makeup. It was really fun, actually. So I like to use different innovative ideas to say, okay, what's going to give the actor the least amount of pain, for one thing, as far as taking off and comfortability. I have a 15-year medical background, and so I know exactly what realistic things should look like as far as bruising and how the colors should span out. Nothing should be perfect. If it's too round and too perfect, it's not going to look real, because that's not how bruises and things work. You guys always have this wonderful little makeup area for me, so I love it.
My name is Summer Givens. It was a super cool experience. I definitely want to do it again, and I feel like I can't go back to regular stuff. I just like being able to play weird, creepy roles. It feels like the professors really care about you and actually want to see you succeed and want to see you get better. And they're really hands-on, but they still allow you to have creative freedom. It's a good time here.
Ew! It took most of it off.
You tend to bond pretty quickly with the crew.
Well, I actually did it twice because it was so worthwhile. I think that it's really a one-of-a-kind experience. You get a feel for what a professional shoot can be like. For a writer being on set, you're seeing new life breathed into what you make. And it's such a supportive group of people, both students and professors alike. With horror, you kind of get to break that fourth wall a little bit. You get to go, what can I do that, yes, scary for those characters, but what can I do that's going to freak out my audience?
My name is Nathan Bogdan. I was a cinematographer. I don't know if I'd call it a challenge, as more as like an opportunity to be more creative. You can try a lot more interesting lighting and camera setups, as horror tends to lean more towards creative setups in that way. So it's not so much a challenge as it is like, what can you do? What are you able to do? The sky's the limit when it comes to horror. I mean, you get hands-on experience here. It's unreal. I worked on countless, probably 100 now in my 3 years here.
My name is Emmanuel Ted, studying producing, being able to actually learn the step-by-step method and of how to actually produce film. And that's what I was able to do. You know, be able to work with a director who has particular visions for how to do a specific scene, or, you know, whether it's, you know, cosmetics or makeup or VFX or special effects. It's always a new challenge. Although I might not love horror movies, I love being a part of the problem solving that takes to make it. The web series class allows you to learn where your role is needed on the set, and it also allows you to experiment with how you're doing creatively, to learn, fail, and to make a movie.